Hey traders, last week gold reached the all-time structure high and from that the market dropped nicely. And now the question is, should we look for shorting opportunities or it is the great moment for us to buy gold? In this video we will analyze the structure together, the price action, and I will give you my trading recommendations for gold trading. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Let's analyze the market on a weekly time frame. As you can see, here is our all-time structure high. And for now, you can see that the price was nicely rejected from that structure. And for now, we see a very nice bearish candle here on the weekly. But even though locally the market looks quite bearish, remember that currently we are trading in a bullish trend. Yes, here is our bullish price action. Here we have the high lows, the high highs, and for now this bearish movement from the all-time structure high is treated as the correctional movement. Yes, is the retracement. And for now, what I'm looking for buying opportunities. And I believe that quite soon the market will be able to retest the all-time structure high and probably go higher. But the question is, from where it is safe for us to buy the market? Let's analyze this structure together. Hey traders, if you want to see how I trade live, if you want to see how I analyze the market live, if you want to see how I look for trading opportunities, if you want to see how I manage my trades, you will definitely enjoy my premium educational group. There I do live streaming. There I show you live trading. It will be the best place for you to be if you want to learn how to trade. For more info, check my website. It is vasilytrader.com/private group or text me in one of the social networks. I will give you more details. The first strong structure support that I see is right here, based on that local structure high. As you can see, in the past it was a very strong resistance, but after the breakout it turned into support, and from that we saw this bullish rally to the all-time structure high. So that will be our first structure support to watch. The next strong structure support is based on a trend line. Here, if we take this low high and draw a trend line based on that, you can see that in the past that trend line was a very strong resistance, and of course after the breakout it turned into support. And one more structure that I'm currently looking at is based on a rising trend line. If we take that structure low and again draw a trend line, you can see that right here we have this very nice rising trend line, respected 3 times in a row in the past, and definitely for now it is a very strong structure support. So for now here in gold we have one strong horizontal structure support and 2 trend lines, and from these structures we will look for buying opportunities. Your task is to patiently let the price reach one of the structures and then look for the confirmation to buy. Your confirmation is the reversal price action pattern formed on a 4-hour or 1-hour time frame. We trade only with the confirmation, traders. It is a very important condition. And what will happen once we get this confirmation? Once the price reaches one of the structures and once we get our confirmation, first I will expect a bullish rally all the way up to the all-time structure high. Yes, I am quite sure that it will be retested. But moreover, the market can go higher. And the question is, where will be our next resistance in case of a bullish breakout of the all-time structure high? And here let's apply the Fibonacci's. Let's apply the Fibonacci extension tool. Here, in order to apply this tool properly, we need to identify the impulse lags. So first, let's remove everything on our chart and let's focus on the price action weekly. Here is our first bullish impulse. Yes, you can see that here we have a very strong bullish rally. This will be our first impulse, and based on that impulse we will draw the Fib extension. Yes, from the low to high we draw the extensions, and here you can see that I have the 1272, 1414 and 1618 classic extension levels. Then the next impulse lag that we will analyze is this one. Yes. And again, based on that impulse lag, we will draw the extension. So from the low to high, we draw the extension, and again, we draw these same extension levels on the chart. And we need one more impulse. Yes, when I'm looking for the structures with the Fibonacci extension, I apply 3 impulse legs. Yes. So the third impulse leg that we will analyze is this strong bullish rally. Yes, very, very, very important major impulse on the weekly. And again, based on that, we'll draw the Fib extension. Yes, look how many Fib levels we have on the chart. Let's discuss how we apply these Fibonacci extensions for structure identification. And how do we spot strong resistances with Fib confluence? As you can see here, we have a lot of levels, but the strongest level will be based on the confluence of 3 Fib levels. And here we have one such structure. Here it goes. Yes, here you can see that we have the confluence between 1618 extension, 1414, and 1272. It will be a very strong resistance, and from that we will expect a bearish reaction. Then we also have the levels that are based on 2 Fib levels, 2 Fib extension levels. Here goes the first structure. Here we have the confluence between the 1414 and 1272. It will be also a strong structure, but it won't be that strong as that structure. And here we have one more such structure. Here we have the confluence between 1618 and 1414. So once the price violates the level of the all-time structure high, these 3 levels will be on focus, and from them we will look for the pullbacks, for the retracements, and most likely one of those levels will be the next call for buyers. Alright traders, if you want to learn more about Fibonacci extension, please watch this video. There I recorded a big lesson about Fibonacci extension tool. If you want to see how I analyze gold live, if you want to see how I trade gold live, I want to invite you in my premium educational group. The link in the description below. Also traders, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I will see you on Weekend Traders.